Right, I'm giving a small tilak shape thing there. Then I am using the coil. So whenever you do this smudging kind of thing, you use the powder and rectify that. Okay. I'll tell you, see, all the tips I'll give, like small balls you make. So make the thread, from that you make the ball so that it will be even sized. So around that, all these things are your creativity only. I'm expecting lots of designs for the crown and jewelry. I know you are all very creative. Just a moment. Just a minute. Like this, you are then you have to place earrings. See, I'm doing little bit quickly. You take your time and do it. So when can you all submit this? Today is Wednesday, right? So shall it be on by Sunday evening, maximum time? When you sit, you won't really like to get up from doing this. So I think Sunday will be good enough time. Sunday evening.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. So now what you can do is, don't throw away this. With this, give some impressions like this. See, it's all your choice. I'm just giving, take the tips from what I'm doing. Then you can apply it wherever you want, or your own things. So like this. Here you can fill up with glass colors, or fill up with glitters, or I have some conical stones like this. So if we have such stones, see that underneath part, that cone is getting set in that space. Like this. It has to get set. So that bigger, that impression has to be. So now we are not going to do this, only we have to do after the painting of gold painting on that. So here you can make use of a tilak type stone. Here you can make a single stone impression here, like this. And then for a necklace, you can again make a very thin rope. Rope you can use with some impressions on that. Along with this, you use whatever you have. All these crafters, you all will be having all these items, right? These golden balls, the stone chains, and this colored balls, and then this type of stones. So whichever you have, you are at your liberty to use it. So like this. If you don't want the clay work here, then that is also okay. you just want to give some beadwork alone, then that is also okay. So what you do is, initially when you are doing the bead things, assume this, where is the shoulder rightly. So from there you give the, apply the glue, see how much you want. So do it like this, and then you can make use of stone chain. Like this, like how much ever you want, you can decorate. So you want some hanging, you can do it with this bead balls, this clay balls, then paint it gold color. So I think decoration part you can take care of. Okay. And for the jhumkas, you can make some jhumkas. See, I want to actually close this one. So there is a damage I made, right? Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. Yes,
any
what do you want?
changes in this?
Any?
Any changes?
You can do as you like.
Changes?
You can change the design or change the face or anything.
Ma'am, can you see?
Huh? You are giving. Okay, just a minute. I will see. Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. Now you can fill up the glass colors. Glass color in that crown part. You have made some impressions, right? So there you can
Yes.
have the glass colors, and below the neck you can fill with the jewelries. Okay, that shouldn't be blank. The neck part shouldn't be blank. So you have to make some jewelries there. Fill up with glass colors or stones, whatever you like.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. So here you can give some jhumka type of thing, or like this. So this part I am leaving it to you, because we don't have, because each one of you will be doing it differently, and you can make this chain also, that head chain, that netti chuttin solvom illaya, adu neenga panikalam. And then you can make you can stick a stone here, and further if you want you can decorate that part also. There also you can make use of this gold chains or balls, golden color balls, all those things. See here also for the crown also you can use this. And for this this thing, no, this side here also you can use this. So it's all, I'm leaving that part to you, because I want to give more tips on this. So you can leave this space as it is, because you have given a Mod Podge over that. Now you have to give the golden color paint on this decoration, this crown. First, initially give the gold color paint. You may have to give 2 coats of gold color paint. So that becomes the crown. See, maybe I don't want to leave it like this, so I will complete it and post it also. So like this you have to, these parts I think you can do it. Like this completely, you complete the crown. See here and all, you complete the crown, this earring part and this jewelry part, everything you complete. And then give a golden color paint over this. And then you stick the stones. And if you want a Mod Podge effect, like shiny effect, after the paint dries, you give a coat of Mod Podge. And then you stick the stones. Don't stick the stones and then again